open and dip some more. This is the place that I'm looking at long on NQ. I'm going to take a piece of this. If I can get into 65, we got 61 here. So I'm going to get a couple of orders out and come
Order
on.
filled.
Come on down there. Boom. We got filled one. 2 more orders sitting out. I want all 3 of them. I don't want just one. So take some profits into 89, 88. To be a $20, $20 pop.
Order filled.
Took profits there. So I got my order sitting out here still right here. If we can get it, stop attached. We'll just see what happens here. See if I'm gonna get it right there.
Order filled.
Right there it is.
Order filled.
Just took profits on NQ. 30 points, man. Look at that. Boom. There we go. I'm gonna take profits here. Coming on the close of this 5-minute candle. It's giant, huge 5-minute candle. I'm taking profits.
Order filled.
Just got long on that dip into that 5-minute right there. Or added, I mean. Just added to that. So the target for the hour is 92. We're almost there, right? I want to take a little profit somewhere between 92 and this ATR target of 13, right? So I've got my stop all out at 69. So if we break this, I'm taking profits all out. I'm just gonna go all out.